Hello, this is David here. I wanted to do a quick video and show you a project that I created that's helped a couple of founders go ahead and post on social media. It is what I call Content Prism, and it is an application that creates content for social media, for posts, also for commenting. And it uses both the OpenAI and the Anthropic API. So let me go ahead and show it to you and wrap this up pretty quickly. I'm giving you an example here of where it is. This was a new session that was done. And first you just plug in your idea at the top. And so in this, it's the hidden operational cost of giving your team unlimited AI access. That's the idea. That's what the post is going to be about. Then here you can put in your audience. And my audience is US-based founders that are doing roughly 1 to 2 million and haven't hired an operations person yet. What kind of voice you want, calm, surgical, skeptical, and then you have different domains. Obviously, for whatever domain that you would be needing this for, I would change the domain, and the prompts would slightly change because of that. And then what kind of goal are you looking at? And in this case, clarify thinking for somebody to reference later, spark conversation, build ongoing trust with your followers, start a conversation with your followers, and then of course take some sort of action, like a very big call to action. Those are kind of the goals of what you want with the article. Remember, as you're doing posts and articles, you don't want to just keep hitting people with, CDAs. You want to educate, you want to help them learn, things like that. So you have some options there. Then you have your length, which can be a comment, which is 75 words roughly, a short post, a medium post, or a long post. Now, what's interesting about this is that I've come up with a ton of different angles that you could use for these type of posts. So in this case, if you want to choose the angle, I have a base of 7 that I like to do, but you have other ones. You can create checklists, failure stories, mythbusters, expert trap, beginner explanation, an industry lie, status flip, SOPs, automations, tool stock, origin story, trending, a trend jack, a role-based career angle. All of these are different posts in of themselves, and it will be a different angle to the same topic that we already gave. And so you'll see what I'm talking about here in a second. So I've already did this, and it has the drafts down below. And so in this case, it has a story draft, it has a common mistake draft, a quick tip draft, step-by-step draft, before and after, and then of course lessons. So these are really nice drafts. Obviously, it's 90% of the way there. You still want to look at it's in your voice, but you want to look at it, make sure that everything works out. So I'm not going to go through these, but I will upload this particular draft within this story itself so that you can take a look at it. So it does save your history over here, and pretty easy just to click a new session and get started. So at any point in time, like if you are wanting to increase your content production and it's been a drag for you, this is a nice easy way for you to get a bunch of different ideas and be able to post those pretty simply to LinkedIn, Twitter, or any of the other social medias. Hope this was helpful. Thanks.